Hey guys, here. Curse back with another video. I got 51 packs of Dark Saviors. I got a good deal on 51 blisters. I took them all out of the pack already because the last time I done a video doing that, it took about 4 minutes to do that. And I guess split this video into 3 parts, so 17 packs per stack here. So 3 times 17 is 51. So let's get started here. So hopefully we pull something good. Let's get started. Don't mind the noise in the background. It's just my dog chewing a bone. So we got Strike Striker Ace Shinsuku, currently worth $1.10. Vampire Grimson, Vampire Red Baron, Recon Scout for Hire, and Vampire Domination, current around $1.02. Okay. Next pack. Recon Scout for Hire, Bravo Fighter for Hire, Sky Striker Ace Ray, ooh, Scapegoat, good staple, and Sky Striker Maneuver Afterburner. Oh, Afterburners. Ooh, this is a $11 card. Nice. Let's leave that one up. Alright, next pack. Yeah, Vampire Vamp, Vampire Retainer, Vampire Grimson. Okay. Alright, Vampire Awakening. And Vampire's Desire. Not for a secret rare, and that's worth about $1. Okay. Next pack. Let's see what we get here. Let's see, Quick Booster, Vampire Familiar, Dark Greifer, Foolish Burial Goods, and Sky Striker Maneuver Jamming Waves. Okay. Not bad. Alright. Next pack. See what we get. And Fandora the Flying Fortress, Vampiric Orchids, Vampire Awakening, Dampa Marksman for Hire, and Sageti Maverick for Hire for a secret rare. Alright, next set. Next pack. Dexter. And Sky Striker Mecha Eagle Booster, Helmer Helmsman for Hire, Strike Striker Ace Kaguri. She's worth almost $2. Sky Striker Mecha Hornet Drones, and Vampire Scarlet Scourge. Okay, and he's worth about $1.10. Okay, next pack. And we got Vampire Retainer, Dark Greifer, Armageddon Knight, Plaguebearer Zombie, and Liz Sage for Hire for a secret rare. Okay, next pack. And Vampire Grimson, Vampire Awakening, Pandora Defying Fortress, Plaguebearer Zombie, and Sky Tracker Maneuver Jamming Waves for secret. Okay, next set, next pack. Pull something good. Vampire Retainer again, Dark Grypher, Armageddon Knight, Plaguebearer Zombie, and Raphael Champion for Hire. It's almost $1 for this card, but not quite. Bravo for Hire, Sky Striker Ace Ray. Lunar Scapegoat. It's a good card. Bravo for Hire, Strike Striker Ace Ray, Sky Striker Mecha Armor Hercules Base, and beat Bladesman for Hire. He's a $16 card. Nice. Let's get that one up. Alright, next pack. Come on, Widow Anchor or Mobilize Engage. Okay. Our Shinsuku, Grimson, Red Baron, Recon Scout for Hire, and Sky Striker Multi-Rose for Secret. Vampire Awakening, Dumpa Firstman for Hire, Ego Booster, Tune Table Contents, that's a good card, and Citadel Endemon for a Secret. It's about a $2 card. Oh, about $1.50 for a Tune Table. Yeah. Next pack. A nice Scapegoat. That's a playset from this opening so far. Hercules Base, Vampire Return, and Dana Fur for Hire for her Secret. Alright. Pack. Let's see what we get. Plaguebearer Zombie, Bravo Fur for Hire, Dampa Marksman for Hire, Armageddon Knight, and Jamming Waves. Nice. Alright. Come on, something good. Fur for Hire, our Scapegoat. We got Playset, Hercules Base, and Jamming Waves again. Those are the last same secret as in the previous pack. Alright, second last pack. Hercules Base, Tune Table of Contents, that's a good card. Lurid Darkness, that's about a $2 card. Or $2.50, and Damper Vampire Sheraton, and he's $1. Okay, all right. We also got Beat Bladesman for Hire. He's about $16, and as well we've got Sky Striker Maneuver Afterburners, which is a good Magic card for this new archetype, and that one's worth about $11. Okay. Thanks for enjoying this video. I'll be back for part 2 soon. Alright, if you'd like to thumbs up this video and follow me, I'll be back again. Curse Scout.